Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and clear the area. Spray white vinegar directly onto rust. You want it damp, not dripping. Let it sit 3 to 5 minutes so the acid loosens mineral bonds. Once done, sprinkle baking soda over the vinegar. This creates a mild fizz that lifts residue. With a nylon brush, scrub along the grain using moderate pressure. Avoid steel wool because that scratches stainless. Wipe with a damp microfiber to see progress and repeat on stubborn spots. Now tackle tougher marks. Mix a 1:1 baking soda and water paste and apply to stains, covering fully. You should let the paste sit 5 to 10 minutes so it penetrates. Then, gently rub with a non-abrasive pad or brass brush, always following the metal grain. This prevents cross-grain scratches. Rinse the area with warm water to remove residues. Make sure to dry with a clean microfiber immediately because moisture left behind invites new rust. Repeat paste application if needed, then finish by restoring the finish. Apply a small amount of stainless polish or mineral oil to a soft cloth and buff along the grain until you see uniform shine. You're sealing tiny pores and resisting future stains. If a spot still shows rust, use a commercial rust remover on that localized area. Test it first on an unseen edge. One troubleshooting tip. If scratching appears, stop and switch to a gentler method. Aggressive abrasion can make rust come back faster by roughening the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.